Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Create a new item category. Organizing your items into categories helps maintain an overview of your inventory and makes it easier to sort, search, and filter items. To create a new item category, choose the search icon, enter item categories, and then choose the related link. On the item categories page, choose the new action. We'll input a code, which serves as an identifier for the category, followed by a description. Next, we can assign attributes for the item category on the Attributes Fast tab. These attributes will automatically apply to items assigned to this category. Tick the pencil button to save.